Is the housing market going to crash again? It's a really good question, and it's one that's being asked a lot right now because it's going crazy. Um, so yeah, there's a lot of similarities in between now and 2008. Um, Buyers are getting a little bit of a crazed look in their eye, and it seems like common sense is going out the window. They're offering above market price, and there's multiple offer situations going on all over the place. It's not so much that common sense is going out the window, it's that you just have to do what you have to do to get the house that you need. Which is not the greatest place to be buying from. It's not the great position to be in, but it's where we're at. So there's also a lot of mitigating factors here between what's going on now and 2008. First of all, loans are a lot harder to come by. You have to prove them, you have to be better qualified, and you have to have a lot more documentation. Builders got pretty badly burned back in 2008, so there's a lot lower inventory. They haven't been keeping up with demand, creating, a little bit more of a seller's market and hoping that the economy is going to return. Millennials are coming of the age when people usually start to buy homes, so they're sopping up a lot of the inventory, especially the starter home inventory, which is pushing everybody else up. And most of the mortgages on the market right now are 30-year fixed rate mortgages as opposed to the adjustable rate mortgages, which made up, I think, around 50% of mortgages on the market back in 2008. And when the rates started to go up back then and people started to have their mortgages increase on them, and it got to a point where you just couldn't afford to pay your mortgage anymore. Couple in that if you lost your job, or if your job wasn't as great as you thought it was to begin with, you really just didn't have a chance. So all in all, it looks like we may end up having a plateau instead of a burst bubble, where prices tend to level out a little bit over the next few years instead of dropping precipitously, which would be great. I mean, not fantastic, but a lot better than a bust. So keep an eye on it, and I think we're going to come out of this okay.